Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. VeChain continues to grind higher in this ascending trend channel. We have trend channel support, the lower boundary line here, which would be around 5.5 cents, maybe a little lower. We haven't reached that lower boundary line yet. The idea is currently that we are in a third wave, which is normally a strong uptrend, which we can see definitely. That is an internal third wave of a larger C wave, which we discussed in previous videos. In this video, I just want to show you the shorter time frame. You can refer to one of the last videos for the larger time frame that's unchanged. And we will do that for sure in one of the next videos again. But for now, let's just take a look here at the 4-hour time frame. The idea is we're in this uptrend. We're following an ascending trend channel. We are currently holding above the center line. These center lines can act as support levels as well. Not only that, we had some support. We found some support at the center line and the 23.6 retracement of the previously communicated micro support area. And support is here between 4.7 cents and 6.2 cents. In between, we've got an ideal target. Normally, the ideal target for a fourth wave. Doesn't mean we have to test it, but again, it would be ideal actually. And that is at 5.35 cents, pretty much where that lower boundary line of that trend channel is as well. Well, as long as we're holding in the upper section of the channel, so above the center line, momentum is quite high and strong, upside momentum. And as long as we're holding above the support zone, Fibonacci support, I'm watching for one more high in wave 5 of C of the larger third wave, circle 3. Yeah. It's not needed that we go down much lower in the support region, but I mean, it's certainly possible that we test the lower boundary line. As long as we, however, stay above 4.7 cents, that's the lowest support line here in the Fibonacci support area, I'm going to watch for higher. Any break below it would not invalidate the larger bullish thesis, right? But it would likely indicate that we have already formed the top in circle 3. So we're just going up one wave degree, right? And that means the support area is a little bit lower. It would then be between 3.3 cents and 4.6 cents. But the higher we go in circle 3, you know, the more the micro support or the larger support area is gradually going to shift upwards together with the price, okay? Now, it is important to mention that the internal wave 2 that bottomed likely here on the 18th of November, 17th of November, and I'm not so confident about the microstructure, but as long as this level is holding, obviously, you know, or let's say, no, it's not really like that. So what I wanted to highlight actually is that this wave 2 is quite, it's not weak, but it was quite short. It was swift, right? And because of that, the wave 4 doesn't need to be massive. Sometimes the wave 4s are longer than a wave 2. Also in duration, they tend to be roughly the same length, sometimes longer. But if the wave 2 is quite short, yeah, also in duration, then the wave 4, it also obviously doesn't have to be very extended. So that means we don't necessarily need to go down much lower. But we can, the market needs to. Overall, it's important to understand, as long as we're holding above 4.7 cents, I'm watching for higher. Plus, there are additional levels to watch, like the trend line, like the center line, like the 38.2 or the 23.6 Fibonacci retracements that could already support the price, where the price could find a low and the next move up could start in wave 5. And what are the next upside targets in wave 5? Well, next resistance is around 7.8 cents. One of the Fibonacci retracement levels here is at 8.6 cents, and then 10.8 cents feels like a good target for that fifth wave of wave C of circle 3. That should give you all the key levels to watch and my preferred interpretation. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.